Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Didn't do really like a build video on this bumper. There's plenty of those out there. If you guys go to the Moves website, they show step by step how to do them. So it's pretty straightforward. The rear bumper, honestly, I think was a little more challenging than the front bumper. It's got some more pieces. Like you've got a separate piece here. I think there's like one in here and then another. I think there was like a total of what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 12-ish plus the mounting hardware, something like that. So it's quite a few pieces to weld in, getting it all straight, but really isn't too bad to do. This truck here, the only issue I ran into is, for whatever reason, the brackets where they come out to the point here didn't line up quite right. If I put them in the point, the bumper was too tall and I couldn't open the tailgate. So I tried flipping around, doing some different things. Didn't really matter which side I put them on or what direction. They still didn't quite line up. So I ended up having to weld them in a little higher. And then I actually put a bracket, a piece of angle iron on the top here, on the underside, and welded to that. I don't know if I can maybe see that up in there. I can't really tell if you guys can see it, but anyway, I welded it to the front here, and then you guys can see that piece of angle iron running up to the top. So that's how I got it dropped down to where I wanted it. Again, I wanted it to be able to clear my receiver or spare tire access, so I put the tire back up underneath it. But other than that, that's the only issue I ran into with the spare tire or the receiver hitch. This one here really didn't interfere. A couple of different ways, if I had tried putting the brackets in, it was in the way, but I even dropped it down and thought, well, let me see if that makes a difference. Really didn't change anything. So I'm not 100% sure why this one didn't line up quite right, but yeah, just was off enough where I couldn't open the tailgate. Tailgate would actually hit the bumper when it was down. You guys can see how much room I've got there between. It's pretty decent. So, but yeah, other than that, no complaints. Highly recommend them. Super cheap for what they are. If you can fabricate or build it yourself, it's a great bumper. So yeah, the only spots I couldn't get the welds out was in here, as far as grinding everything down smooth. But you really can't tell. All these other welds, you know, smoothed out really nice. And again, I bully lined mine because that's what I had available. I would truly probably use Raptor liner if I didn't already have the product. So, but the black goes on really nice. The black goes on better than the green. I think I've said that in the past videos, but yeah. So I will link the rear bumper here as well as the front. If you guys haven't watched, I've got the front bumper installed previously. So, but yeah, doesn't look bad. Really decent price for these bumpers. Again, I think a bumper was roughly around $1,000 or more for like a cheap one, for a pre-built or whatever, and these are 500-ish each. So basically you can get both bumpers for the price of one if you can build it yourself. So, but anyway, that's where the truck's sitting right now. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.